Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston with a 2022 25 Dauntless. What an incredible new model it is for them. The design and the hull design is a brand new design. It's absolutely gorgeous. A new color upper whaler as well, and it's powered by the Mercury 300 Verado. It's a phenomenal engine. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 25 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat. You've got the new Merc 300 Verado. Phenomenal engine, very, very quiet, very little vibration, just a fantastic motor on the back of this boat. Start with some of the options. You've got the folding seats, you've got matching port and starboard. So when you want to fish, take this. Now you got a platform, a great fishing platform here. Your live well, very conveniently located, very large as well, so plenty of room for all your bait. Then you have the Yeti cooler. It's the large Yeti, so you'll be able to keep everything you want in there, no problem. Rod holders. The T-top, you've got the matching color on the top, so it really kind of contrasts nicely with the white piping here. So just a real beautiful combination with the color on the T-top. And then the Helm, the Raymarine, really good sized touchscreen Raymarine. You get the Mercury Vessel View, Fusion Stereo, Raymarine VHF. Digital throttle and shift and trim tab, so really nice, real nice, neat and clean. You also have a shelf here where you can put your phone up there and it actually charges. You just take your phone, dump it right on there like that, charges it right up for you. Great option. So the head, good size head. So it's a pump out, so you don't have to deal with that at all. And plenty of room down there for everybody to fit. You've got the very nice lounger, so two adults very comfortably on this boat that has armrests and incredible amount of storage. So it's very, very deep. There's rod storage in there. You can keep a half a dozen rods locked up in there, and you get all your canvas. And you get the built-in, you get the table that will fit right in here. So when I close this down, this table, so when you fold these back down, you get the lounges that's up, folds back down, tables in here, so everybody can fit at least 5, if not 6 adults comfortably around the table for having cocktails, that type of thing. We've got rod holders on it as well, but really nice. This is all for fishing. You can take the cushions off, and it's all non-skid on here, so it's a huge platform for when you're fishing. So if you're fishing, it has everything. If you're not fishing, it has everything. So great boat for a 25 footer. So you got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.